And welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. With Icelander Heimir Hallgrimsson set to be officially unveiled as the Reggae Boyz' new head coach on Friday, president of the Montego Bay United, Orville Powell, says the Jamaica Football Federation must be mindful of not digging themselves into a financial hole. Hallgrimsson, who guided Iceland to the 2018 FIFA World Cup, is expected to travel with his assistant coach, a goalkeeping coach and a fitness coach. While backing the move from the JFF, Powell has questioned the financial package for the team of coaches.
Time and time over, where you pay some coaches some big salary and you can't keep a camp because the resources not there, etc., etc. The funding for do that part is just not there. So that's my biggest concern where this is. And knowing again that the JFF, they more worry for money. And when you're going to tell the people and the players that what you owe from before, it's just them something that concern me.
Hallgrimsson will be the fourth man to take charge of the Reggae Boyz in the last year, with Merran Gordon the most recent interim coach. And defending champions Kingston College and North Street neighbour St. George's College will look to preserve their winning start to the Issa Manning Cup as they are back in action in 2 of 9 games across the competition today. KC, who brushed aside Calabar 5-1 on the opening day, will play away to Arden High, who lost their opening contest 6-0 against St. George's College. Georges, who lead the group on goal difference, will play away to Meadowbrook High. Waterford, who came away 3-0 winners over Meadowbrook in their first game, will play Calabar at home. In Group C, Charlie Smith will play Bridgeport High in a clash of former champions at Arnett Gardens. Edith Dalton James will host group leaders Tivoli Gardens, while Vauxhall High travels to face Haile Selassie in the other group game. In Group F, Clancarty host Kingston Technical. Campion College are at home to Jose Marti, while Cumberland face Excelsior at Excelsior. All games kick off at 3:30. Meanwhile, Manchester High will look to make it 2 wins from 2 when they take on Belfield at home in their Zone F fixture in the Issa da Costa Cup today. Manchester currently leads the zone following their 4-0 win over Mount St. Joseph in their opening game. In the other games from the group, Mayday will travel to play Bellier, while Mount St. Joseph are at home to Descartes College. All games kick off at 3:30. A 5-time world champion Chilean Fraser Price has claimed the #1 spot in the latest release of the World Athletics female rankings. Fraser Price, who won the 100-meter at the World Championships and Diamond League trophy, is joined by Diamond League 200-meter trophy winner and world champion in the event Sharika Jackson, who is ranked #2. Yulimar Rojas, Sidney McLaughlin and Toby Amerson round out the top 5. Elaine Thompson-Hero, who copped the 100 and 200-meter titles at the Commonwealth Games, was the next best-placed Jamaican female at 19. Brittany Anderson, the World Championship silver medalist and national record holder in the 100-meter hurdles, is next at 25. Shanika Ricketts, who got silver in the triple jump at the World Championships, is ranked 39th. With Natoya Gould 53, Rochelle Clayton 60, Genevieve Russell 70, and Daniel Williams 79. Also Stephanie Ann McPherson at 98. They complete the Jamaicans in the top 100. On the men's side, Rashid Broadbell, who is the 3rd Jamaican to dip under 13 seconds and who is the Commonwealth Games champion in the 110-meter hurdles, is ranked at 47th. Hansa Parchment, the Olympic champion in the sprint hurdles, was the only other Jamaican male athlete ranked in the top 100, and he ranks 53rd in the world. And that's it for your midday sports report. Kelisha, it's back to you.